This natural, homemade cough syrup is antimicrobial and antibacterial, and it has only 5 ingredients. Made with onions, garlic, rosemary, cinnamon, and Manuka honey, all of the ingredients combined create an effective, antioxidant-rich, natural cough syrup to help relieve chesty coughs and soothe sore throats naturally. Simply throw everything into a jar and cover with Manuka honey. Let it infuse for 24 hours, strain it, and store in the fridge. A simple but potent natural remedy to keep on hand throughout winter.